Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue mile 2 for learning Japanese while driving. So let's get started. This is mile 2, continuation of mile 1 tutorial. I highly recommend you to watch mile 1 of this series before continuing mile 2 for better understanding of this part.
Mile 2. Great! とてもいいですよ. As you learn each new word, and as you change this sentence little by little, you're absorbing information about Japanese that will really help you once you get into the conversational lessons that start in the second hour of recordings. So, let's change the vocabulary just a bit. A truck. トラック。トラック。Just like we did before, let's break that down and then build it up. トラック。トラック。トラック。It's a truck. トラックです。トラックです。It's a big truck. 大きいトラックです。大きいトラックです。It's a pretty truck. きれいなトラックです。きれいなトラックです。Do you hear the differences there? You have 大きいトラック and きれいなトラック. You will learn more about the differences between adjectives in the lessons. But for now, remember that some adjectives are I adjectives, and some adjectives are na adjectives. For now, just learn them as phrases. You'll be able to dissect them later. It's a new truck. 新しいトラックです。新しいトラックです。It's a convenient truck. 便利なトラックです。便利なトラックです。Now let's repeat everything you've learned so far. A car. 車。A truck. トラック。It's a car. 車です。It's a truck. トラックです。It's a big car. 大きい車です。It's a big truck. 大きいトラックです。It's a small car. 小さい車です。It's a small truck. 小さいトラックです。It's a new car. 新しい車です。It's a new truck. 新しいトラックです。It's an old car. 古い車です。It's an old truck. 古いトラックです。It's a pretty car. きれいな車です。It's a pretty truck. きれいなトラックです。It's a convenient car. 便利な車です。It's a convenient truck. 便利なトラックです。